Homeowner tip I wish I knew before I moved into my first house. Know where your main water shutoff valve is. It is not something you want to be searching for if you have an overflowing toilet or a burst pipe. So here's how to find it. If you haven't bought the home yet, the easiest thing to do is ask your inspector to show you. If you're on municipal water, it will likely be coming from the street side of your house and be right where the water meter is. Going down into my basement here with my cat. Okay, we're in my basement by my utility closet where my water meter is. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is the street side of my house. I'm on municipal water, so this is the place to look. And here is my pipe coming in, my water meter, and my shutoff valve. If you're on a well, it's typically near your pressure tank. When you locate the valve, turn it, test it and make sure that it turns smoothly and works. Then tell everyone in your house where it is. If you have any questions of your own, put them in the comments or email me at askagentana@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.